YTPC. Good morning. This is your man, the Omega Forever, coming to you on a Thursday morning. Rainy morning. It's going to be raining, severe weather throughout the day. But the sun is supposed to make an appearance again tomorrow and the next couple of days. So I'm enjoying my overcast drive into work. And it's like my pipe smoke is normal. This morning, I am wondering why this person's in the left lane and whatnot. But back to my original thought. The pipe I am smoking is my Nose Warmer by Dagner. One of my favorite pipes. Such a beauty. See if I can get y'all to see all that. Tobacco I am smoking this morning is, let's see here, what's the name of this? I just grabbed it out of my bag. I'm trying to remember what it is. That is the black raspberry. Black raspberry with BCA as a cooling factor added to it, because normally black raspberry, which gives me a great taste, great flavor, but it also is prone to tongue bite. And I think it's because of the flavor preservatives that they put in the tobacco to give it that taste and that smell. For me, it just tends to burn hot, so I have to definitely take my time pulling on the pipe, keep my eye on my frequency of pull and the strength of the pull. Because again, you just end up, all that heat that's in the bowl, you just bring it through the stem, and after really about 3 or 4 pulls, you're starting to feel the side of your tongue go a little numb. And I haven't had experienced tongue bite in quite a while, but I remember the last time I did, that lasted for at least a day, up to 2 days. I couldn't smoke my pipe, couldn't smoke cigars, couldn't drink coffee because it just aggravated my tongue and whatnot. I just had to give it time to heal. So I still smoke allow the flavors and whatnot, but I can tell off that first pull that I'm gonna have to either take my time with it or maybe put that bad boy down and go to another tobacco. But so far so good on this one. The one thing I love about this pipe and other nose warmers is that you can just hold it. This is the way it fits in your hand. And that's how I normally, I like to hold my pipes between my thumb and my first finger. Just like this right here. And it's just a good fit, good feel. It's almost like becoming one with the pipe. You're just becoming one with the pipe. And I think that's also important when you're enjoying the pipe smoking lifestyle. You want to become just one with the pipe, one with the tobacco that you're smoking. Because to me, it's a intimate relationship. As it said on some other videos, that you have to take the time to light up a pipe. A pipe is not to be rushed. A pipe smoke is not to be hurried. It is something that you want to spend some quality time with. Whether you're meditating, you're thinking on something, you're reading a book, listening to a podcast, listening to radio music, whatever the case may be, you just want to become one with the pipe. So that's why I enjoy my drives every morning. And that's why I enjoy making videos while I'm in my car, because it's just me. It's me in my car and my pipe. And I'm just relaxing, listening to news radio or jazz or whatever the case may be, whatever I'm in the mood for. Also let me get my mind ready for another day of productivity at the job, and at least get myself in a position I can try to handle anything that may come my way, anything that's unforeseen, and I can handle it with grace and mercy and make it a productive day. I'm also, this is my second bowl. This one I had one earlier at the house prior to getting in the car to come to work. I'm trying my new lighter. Now, normally my pipe lighters are clean butane, clean, no odor, no taste, and whatnot. And what I use in my car is a Vector that I've had for a while. So long that the tools have come out. So I have a separate tool for my pipe. But it's just my regular 45-degree angle pipe lighter. I think it's a Vector. I did buy a new pipe, came in the mail yesterday. And so, tried it out this morning, nice. As you can see, the holes in the middle there. So that way when you put it over your pipe, the flame, you can pull the flame straight down into the bowl. So, like in the fact, what I tried is the fact that this uses zippo, or what's the other one, Ronin fluid. So, the question is, yeah, I mean to ask myself this question, but I ask you to say, does the flavor of the lighter fluid, like Zippo or Ronin, affect the flavor of your pipe tobacco? For years and years and years, I would never use a Zippo lighter on my pipes, tobacco, or my cigars, because you don't want to taint the flavor or the taste of either one. But I have to say that thus far, the flavor of the lighter fluid has not tainted the taste of this black raspberry tobacco yet. Just on the relight, I did get, a fraction, not even a half a fraction of a little bit of width of the the fluid smell. But in the pull of the pipe and the tobacco and the smoke, I have not experienced any type of tainted taste to the black raspberry. Tobacco flavor. So I would love to hear your thoughts on this. I know some have been using Zippo lighters for a while. Some have said it doesn't matter. Some have said, hey, I use a Zippo lighter all the time for the cigars as well as my pipes. Others have said I only use the clean burning, clean, no smell lighter fluid by Zycar or some of the other brands out there. So So it's worked pretty well. So far so good. I just want to. I've always been fascinated by Zippos, but I never used them because I don't smoke cigarettes. I have in the past have had a couple of closed cigarettes, the blacks or the Jarms. And if my friend had his Zippo lighter, I would use that. But that's far and few between opportunities to do that. Normally, the closed cigarettes, they kind of give you a clove smell when you're done, but then you get kind of tired of it and whatnot. But I've never really used Zippos because I'm always smoking my pipe or smoking cigars. So in addition to trying it on the pipe, I'm also going to this weekend I'll have my Zippo with me and I'll see what transpires with the cigars and the smell and all that good stuff. But as always, it appears that I have pulled into the J-O-B. So, with that being said and done, my brothers and sisters of the Briar, I'm going to let you go, but I wish you a blessed day. Stay well, be blessed, be productive, make this day do what it does. And with that being said and done, have a great day, great Thursday. Take it easy. I'll see you on the next go round. Let me know what you think about the Zippo lighters. Is it good to use in your pipe or is it not? All right, my friends and neighbors, be good. And as always, peace.